Tired of Gamma AI only showing you those generic stock photos that everyone else is using? You know, the ones that never quite fit what you're trying to say. Well, here's the good news. You can add your own images in under 60 seconds. Seriously, it's that fast. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to click, from the media panel all the way to picking your file from your computer. Just 4 simple steps, and you'll go from being stuck with stock photos to confidently inserting your own personal images. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is find the media panel. And I know that can feel a little hidden at first, but trust me, it's right there. Look over on the right-hand side of your Gamma AI document. You'll see a sidebar with a few different options. One of them says Videos and Medias. Go ahead and click on that. Now, the reason I like to start here is because this is Gamma's central hub for anything visual. By clicking it, you're telling the tool, hey, I want to bring in something new here. And once you do, a small panel will slide open. Don't worry if it looks a little busy at first. We're just getting started. So now that we've opened that media panel, let's move on to the next part. Look inside that panel for a button that says Gallery. Click on that. This is where Gamma stores any images you've already uploaded in the past. But here's the thing. If you've never uploaded anything before, that gallery is going to be empty. And that's totally fine. We're going to fix that right now. The gallery is basically your own personal library inside Gamma. It's the gateway to getting your photos off your computer and into your presentation. So just click on Gallery to open it up. Now you're looking at the gallery. You might see a few sample images or nothing at all. Either way, you're going to see an option that says Upload Image or Upload Images. It might be a button or a little icon, but it will be there. Go ahead and click on that. And here's a quick tip. If you have multiple photos you want to add all at once, you can usually select several files right here. But for now, let's just focus on one. This is the step where Gamma hands the reins over to you. Instead of the AI choosing a picture, you are telling it exactly what you want. Now, for the last step. After you click that Upload button, your computer's file browser is going to pop up. This is the same window you see anytime you need to open a file. Navigate to wherever you have your image saved. Maybe it's on your desktop. Maybe it's in a folder called Pictures. Just find that photo, click on it, and then hit Open or Choose. And that's it. Gamma will take a moment to process the file, and then it will appear right inside your gallery. From there, you can click on it, and it will be inserted directly into your slide. See how easy that was? From being stuck with random stock photos to using your own pictures in just a few clicks. Now you can make your presentations truly your own. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. Give it a try, and you'll see just how much better your slides look.